It's time for the greatest athleticism you've ever seen in your life. The professionals are quaking in their boots. With the many videos out there of people that excel in their sport, there's a series, as it is now time to Watch Me Suck at Bowling! Welcome to the third week of June 2018 in Watch Me Suck at Bowling. This adventure is coming to you from Exeter Lanes in Exeter, New Hampshire. The first game wasn't all that great. It only wound up being a 74. There was a spare, but El Stink of the bonus ball reared its ugly head with a 1 fill. Second game wasn't too bad. Slightly underperforming, but an 86. Had a mark there as well, a spare, and El Stinko raised its ugly head once again with a weak 4. So how will game 3 go? We will find out after we mention that. Watch Me Suck at Bowling is a proud sponsor of the hit TV candlepin show King of the Palace. Watch talented professional and league bowlers show their stuff instead of watching this crap. To watch episodes of King of the Palace, simply go to YouTube and search for King of the Palace. If you want to subscribe to the show, go to youtube.com/newpalacelanes. Game 3, frame 1, ball 1. This place does play music, albeit very weak. Where it's noticeable, the audio is muted. Ball 2. Ball 3, dumb luck, but I'll take it. We start off with a 10, and for those of you who like the pin setters, here's the Bowlmore Model E in action. Clearing the deck, setting the pins. Up goes the fence, and there you go. Frame 2, ball 1. So far, it's a pretty strong start. Let's see if we can keep that going. It'd be great if it did. Then that happens. Ball 2. Ball 3. Quarter Worcester did it. It started out well, and it fell apart. You got a 10 and 1, and only a 5 and 2. The Quarter Worcester ruining everything. Total of 15. Let's see if we can improve. Frame 3, ball 1. Just can't get over how I got screwed in that second frame. Hopefully this one will be better. Ball 2. How I hate the sugary pop music they're playing. It just makes it harder to edit this stuff. Ball 3. The editing isn't really too much more effort, but when there's videos playing on the wall, then it gets hard. 8. Frame 4, ball 1. Ball 2. Narrow leaves. How I love them so much. Can we get any of them? Ball 3. Yeah, the beautiful one. 8. And a crappy 5. There seems to be a pattern I don't really like. A good frame, and then a bad one. An 8 and 3, which is okay, and then the 5 and 4. We're at 28. Things have got to get better than this.
35 ball 1. Ball 2. Ball 3.
10.
Frame 6 ball 1. Ball 2. Ball 3.
Quarter Worcester ruins another one. 5. Well, look at the pattern. And it happens to involve the same number. We got a 10 and 5, and, well, no need to guess what would happen at 6. We're at 43. I guess it's safe to say that this will not be a good game.
Frame 7 ball 1. Ball 2. Ball 3.
Ouch. 6.
Frame 8 ball 1. This might not even be mediocre.
With 2 bad frames in a row, hopefully things aren't sliding backwards.
Ball 2.
It looks like we may have reversed the good frame, bad frame scenario. So we hope.
Ball 3. Too far right.
No good. 8 it is. Well, it does look like it was reversed. This time the bad frame is first, which is the 6 and 7, and then the okay 8 at 8. 57. Mediocrity is definitely possible, so long as it stays good.
Frame 9 ball 1.
If we get a couple of good frames, one of them being at least a spare, we could probably get into the good territory.
Ball 2.
Well, wouldn't you know it, it's the patented first ball 10-pin routine.
Ball 3.
Got an 8 from the Caleri. Not bad.
Last frame of mediocrity, ball 1.
A mark with a 5 fill will get us to the very bottom of average ability. It's possible, but will it happen?
Ball 2, just barely behind the lot line.
We got the mark that we needed. All we need now is a 5 fill, and the bottom end of average is possible.
El Stinko the bonus ball. Could turn this into a bottom average game.
All it takes are 5 pins, and we will hit 80. So of course, 4 of them. So of course, we get 4 when we needed 5. Those were the only 2 good back-to-back frames we had. The 8 and 9 and the spare and 10 with a weak 4 fill from El Stinko the bonus ball, giving us a 79. That will conclude week 3 of 4 from Exeter Lanes in Exeter, New Hampshire. This edition of Watch Me Suck at Bowling. This is George F551 saying hope you enjoyed and have a good one.